Hello everyone, today we have a 2017 Ford F-150 Super Crew 4x4 with the Lariat package and the Ecoboost. That's running smooth, so I'll close it up, take you for a tour. This one does have fixed running boards, aluminum alloy wheels. It also has that keyless entry on the door panel, super convenient. This also has retractable steps. This is on both sides of the bed. Spray on bed liner. Tie downs are awesome in this one. Let's see, we got power sliding back window, tow package. This one will also have the tailgate step. We'll have to put that back up before we hop in, or else we'll have a problem when we throw it in reverse and try to show you the backup camera. So we'll go ahead and close that up. All right, got that all closed up. Go ahead and take you for a tour of the interior. And give you a shot of the VIN. Here's the back seat. As you can see, you've got a lot of space. That front middle portion can fold down as an armrest, or you can leave it like that so it'll seat 6. It does have 3 driver presets. As we look down here, you're going to see that it has 25,305 miles on this vehicle. Then you're going to have your infotainment controls right here, your push to talk, trip computer, and cruise control. You're going to have your push button start, 2- and 4-wheel drive, trailering. And as you come over here, you're going to see that it does have both cooled and heated seats in the front. There is your USB and additional power supplies. Your 12-volt right there. As you come up here, you're going to see for your stereo sources, you have AM, FM, Sirius XM, CD, and Bluetooth. Here are your climate controls, your phone controls, your apps, your settings. Of course, you'll have more apps via your cell phone connection. As you come up here, you're going to have your map reading lights, your glasses holder, and you're going to have your control for your power sliding back window. And that about wraps it up for this Ford on the interior. This particular vehicle does have a branded title. There was an impact here front and center. The airbags did not deploy. There was no structural damage, so we got it fixed up. It has passed the 150-point inspection and the state of Utah safety inspection. For more inventory, visit us at tjchapmanauto.com.